Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today because I received some happy mail. This happy mail comes from Life with Patti. Girl, what did you do, girl? Okay, and I did receive it on Friday, so it's taken me a little bit to open it. And I'm not sure actually how long it was at my P.O. box. So here we go. This is where this little guy goes. Back right where he was meant to be. Look at how cute her card envelope is. And then look, the back's got this one here. Okay. I wonder if I can open it. Yeah. Look! Oh, did you make this, Patti? Beautiful. She used some trim. She used some washi tape. This beautiful rosette. And then a resin flower down here. That is gorgeous. So, hi Maka, hope this finds you happy and healthy. Just wanted to send you a little friend mail back your way. I love everything you sent me and hope to start using some of those recipes soon now that it's finally starting to cool down. I got you, girl. Hugs, Patti. Life with Patti. Oh, you didn't have to. Thank you so much. Look at this blue tissue paper. This color alone is soothing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Let's see, here we go. She has like an applique here, and I'm not sure if it came with these pearls or if you added these on the applique. And then she's got the pearl trim all the way around. She's added this gorgeous timepiece and this beautiful gemmy butterfly and the paper collection on the back. Oh, this is beautiful, Patti. I love it. And she just has that. She made it. Thank you. Thank you for putting that. But how gorgeous. I love it. Thank you. Oh my goodness, look. Girl. Oh, this is a beautiful tag. Look again, she has some beautiful trim, flowers. She has this die cut, that same paper. This paper is nice. She's used the flat back pearls all the way around the tag. She has another dimensional sticker here. And then she's added a tassel here. Beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, and look at her Memorydex card. So beautiful. I love this bird cage, and she has this dimensional butterfly here. She has the pearls, the flat back pearls still going on, and then this lace trim with the dotted pearls. That same resin rose, and then another floral piece. And then you can see hints of the paper in the background. Oh, so it's Life with Patti. She's born in December. She loves pastels. Crafts mostly vintage and girly girl. Loves butterfly, flowers, and balloons, and so much more. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it all. Thank you so much, Patti. Thank you for your thank you mail. I appreciate you sending this to me. I appreciate it. Well, hope you guys are having a crafty day. Where can I stick this? Here we go. I want it all to be seen, but here we go. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. And until the next video, shakas.